For this baby food recipe, we'll be needing chicken, 1 carrot, and a medium-sized potato. This is a very nutritious recipe and it's very good for a baby. You start by peeling the potato. Potatoes are very rich in carbohydrates and they provide ample energy to the growing baby. It is believed to be one of the safest vegetables that may be introduced as early food to your baby. It also has some complex proteins and vitamin C. Next, you peel the carrot. Carrots are also a good source of other vitamins like vitamin K, which helps blood clot properly. And it also contains vitamin B6, which is necessary for skin, hair, eye, and liver health. They are also a good source of fiber, which the baby needs, especially if the baby is feeding on a lot of low fiber food. After peeling the carrots, then the chicken is cut into pieces and the bone is removed as shown in the video. The chicken serves as a source of protein for the baby. Proteins from animal sources are easily digested by the body when compared to plant proteins. They promote muscle growth. Chicken also enhances the circulatory system. It promotes bone health. It facilitates brain development and it boosts immunity. It boosts immunity because it has certain micronutrients like zinc and magnesium, which help the immunity of the baby. Note that if the baby is up to 8 months, onions and salt can be added to this recipe. But because this video is for babies that are between the ages of 6 months to 12 months, I didn't add onions and salt to the recipe. Follow along with the rest of the video. Enjoy. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comments down below for me to know your feedback.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh. Won't you say why you're a stranger now? Your eyes escape mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on onto a fairy tale, but the magic's gone? Been months of buffing the bushes and faking the butterflies. Wake up, yeah, I'm kicking the castle down. Ooh, yeah, I think it's time to talk. Ooh, yeah, I think it's time to talk. It off, always in overdrive. Now the feeling's lost, blind to notice we've been losing touch. Long gone fairy tale, yeah, we killed the rush.